Hi students, again we are going to see the same lesson. Tick, tick, tick. In that lesson, we are going to see next topic, Rani's diary. Open your book to page 42. Open your book to page number 42. Next, look at here the conversation. Rani said to her friends, "Come, let's go to see my new baby sister." What she said? "Come, let's go to see my new baby sister." Then she reached her room and she said to her mother, "Ma, I have brought sweets for Munia." What's a little sister name? Munia. "Ma, I have brought sweets for Munia." And then her mother replied, "But she can't eat. She is too small." Now only what she said, she can't eat. She is too small. And then she is looking sad, and then she is thinking herself, and she doesn't even talk. Then finally her mother replied, "She will start doing all this slowly as she grows up." She will start doing all this slowly as she grows up. What she said? She will do all the work, but when slowly as she grows up. See, what is a diary? Do you know diary? Daily we are what we are writing in the diary. Daily we are mentioning the homework in the diary. But if you ask your parents, they will note down the important dates, what happened on the day. They will note everything on the diary. Some parents has a habit to writing the diary. You just ask your parents. Now look at the next page. See, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What is this? These are months of the year. See, Rani said, "I will note down in my diary when she first starts talking, eating, walking." Here are some pages from Rani's diary. See, 5 March 2005, Munia is born today. 15 September 2005, Munia got her first tooth. Next, 10 November 2005, Munia sat up. Next, 20 November 2005, Munia started crawling. Crawling means tavalradu. And then 5 January 2006, Munia stood up. And next, 5 September 2006, Munia ate a banana. And then 2nd February 2006, Munia started walking. After 11 months, she started her walking. Now, mark this in the correct order on Munia's timeline. See, now we are going to make a Munia's timeline. We also make our own timeline. When she was born on 5/3/2005. Next, 5th September. First, we want to write the numbers for the year, month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. Look at here. Mark this in the correct order on Munia's time. When she was born on 5/3/2005. Next, when she got her first tooth, 15 September. September means 5905. She got her first tooth. Next, 10 November. 10 November means 10/11/2005. She sat up. Let's look at here. 20 November 2005 started crawling. 20 November 2005 started crawling. Next, look at here. 5 January. 5 January 1. What's the year? 2006. She was stood up. Next, 5 September 2006. She ate banana. Before that, 2nd February 2006 will come. So, Here you write 2nd February. Sorry. January after February. 2nd February 2006, she started walking. Sorry students. Next, 5 September 2006, she ate banana. Okay. So this is the timeline. I did one mistake. You just correct it. Next, Munia got her first tooth in September. Munia got her first tooth in September. How many months old was she then? How many months have passed from March to September? How we will calculate the date of how we calculate our age? We calculated our age by, see, now what date, at present what date first we want to write. See, they asked first tooth in September, between September and March only they ask. First we want to write 15 September. So how you have to write? 15/9/2005. Next, when she was born on 05/03/2005. See, 9 minus 3, this is months. 9 minus 3, that is 6. 15 minus 5, that is 10. So totally this is 10 represent days and 6 represent months. So here how many months old she was then? 6 months 10 days. See, how many months have passed from March to September? March to September. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many months? 6 months. Here you write 6 months. See, how old was Munia when she was sat up? How old was Munia when she was sat up? When she was sat up, she sat up on November. So we want to calculate. March. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 months. She was sat up on 8 months. And how many days? How you will calculate? See, 10, 5. So how many months? 5 days. Like this you calculate. Okay. Next, she got her first tooth. When she got her first tooth? On 15 September 2005. See, March to September you want to calculate. Already we have done how many months? 6 months and 10 days. Here you write 6 months and 10 days. The both are same only. Next, what did she do first? Walking or eating a banana? What she did first? Munia started walking. First she started walking, then only she ate banana. So here you write walking. Next, what did she do first? Traveling or standing? See, first she started traveling, then only she stood up. So here you write tick traveling. Turn the next page. See, Rani had a pet puppy. After 2 weeks, it opened its eyes. She had one puppy. After 2 weeks, it opened its eyes. She watched it grow like this. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. See, next, after 4 weeks, it started walking around but was still obeying, like that. It had a full set of teeth by time it was 7 months old. When he got a full set of teeth at 7 months. After 1 year, 1 year, it was grown up a dog and got its own puppies. See, after 1 year, it was grown up a dog and it got its own puppies. Now, make a timeline of this dog in your notebook. Now, make a timeline after dog of this dog in your notebook. You just draw like this. First, when he opened its eyes after 2 weeks. So 2 weeks. Here you write 2 weeks. 2 weeks after it opened eyes. Next, after 3 weeks it got first teeth. 3 weeks. First teeth. Next, after 4 weeks, walking around. But it was still obeying. You just write here. Next. Like this, you make a own timeline. Next, note the difference between Munia and Rani's puppy. Note the difference between Munia's and Rani's puppy. See position, Munia age and puppy age. When she started walking at 11th month. She started walking at 11th month. After 11th month, she started her walking. So here you write after 11 months. Next, puppies. When he started walking, he started walking at 4 weeks. 4 weeks means that is 1 month. See, in 1 month, how many weeks we have? 4 weeks. 1 month, how many weeks we have? 4 months. So here you write after 1 month. After 1 month. Next, ate food for the first time. When she ate the food for first time? 6 months after her birth. She ate the food for first time. Puppy after 3 weeks. So here you write after 3 weeks. Got the first tooth. When she got the first tooth? At 6 months. After 6 months. Here also you write after 6 months. Next, when she got puppy got a first tooth after 3 weeks. So here you write after 3 weeks. Next, look at the page. Find out. Do all the animals grow at the same speed? No. All the animals not grow at the same speed. Discuss about the growth of a hen, a cow, a bird. Draw the picture of the baby animal and to the big animal. Like this, you draw the growth of the hen, cow and bird. Next, here are the pictures of grandfathers posing for a photograph. Here are the pictures of grandfathers posing for a photographs. Who looks the oldest to you? Who looks the oldest to you? See, Elephant Appu's grandfather age is 95 years old. Choo-choo's grandfather's age is 2 years old. Rani's grandfather age is 70 years old. Now, how much older is Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? How much older is Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? First, we want to know the Appu's grandfather age and Rani's grandfather age. What is Appu's grandfather age? 95 years old. So here you write 95. Next, Rani's grandfather age is 70 years. So we want difference. Difference means we have to minus. 95 minus 70, that is 25. So here you write 25 years older is Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather. How many years old? 25 years old. Will Chuchu's grandfather ever grow as old as Appu's grandfather? No. See, look at the difference. Chuchu's grandfather never grow as old as Appu's grandfather. So here you write no. Next, how much younger is Chuchu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? Younger. First we write the higher number. Rani's grandfather age is 70 and Chuchu's grandfather age is 2 years old. So we have to minus 70 minus 2. Subtract. We have to subtract. See, 0 minus 2 is not possible. So we want to borrow. Here it will become 6. Here 10. So 10 minus 2, 8. Here there is nothing. So the 6 will come downwards. So what is the age? 68 years old. So how much younger is Chuchu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? 68 years younger is Chuchu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather. Thank you, students.